This car was abandoned deep inside the jungle. No roads, no people, just silence for years. 10 long years passed,
No one
and no
touched
one
it.
ever came back for it. Rain, sun, and wild nature slowly took control. The paint faded, the metal rusted, and life around it began to grow inside it. But today, everything is about to change. We found
Look
it exactly
inside.
like this,
Same black
forgotten,
SUV.
broken, and completely taken over by nature. And then, we made a decision.
Would you
We will
restore
not
it?
just clean it, we will bring it back to life. Step by step, the transformation begins. First, years of dirt and moss are removed, slowly revealing what was hidden underneath. Every detail tells a story of time, of neglect, and of survival. Now the real work starts, repairing, restoring, rebuilding. What once looked completely destroyed is now slowly coming back. And finally, the moment of truth. The engine roars again, the body shines like new. It's hard to believe this is the same car. From a forgotten jungle wreck to a fully restored machine. Years of silence turned into power once again. So the question is,